In this video, I'm going to show you how you can help your child or students create their very first resume using AI, and it's going to take you less than 10 minutes to actually create their first resume. There are three main tools that we're going to be using today. First is GravityWrite, Canva, and ChatGPT. But before that, here's a few things you need to know. Creating your first CV does not have to be daunting. You just need to know a couple of formatting and what goes into a CV to make it look great. So let's take a look at some of them. First of all, things that you need to include in your CV is personal information to begin with, your name, your email address, your contact number, and so on. And then you're going to include your educational background. That is, if you're studying in school, what university qualifications you've got, and so on. You need to include your work experience, whether it's a part-time job or any other work experience needs to go into your CV. Any achievements, any society uni that you're part of, any interests, any hobbies, all of that also goes into your CV. So for example, if you've got any academic honors, if you're part of your school rugby team, or you've presented on a particular project, all of that, even the smallest thing, needs to go into your CV. And then finally, references. But what makes one CV stand out from the other one is it needs to have professional formatting. It needs to look good. Everything needs to be listed in chronological order. That means you need to list your most recent experience first. It helps employers understand what your latest achievements are. You need to use strong verbs. For example, words like created, developed, managed, and so on. But don't worry, we'll help you with all of that. And finally is tailored content. You gotta make sure what's in your CV actually matches the job. Now, if you have never done a CV before and you're doing it for the first time and you don't have a layout or a format of your educational experience, your achievement, your skills, and you don't know how to structure all of them, then don't worry. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna open ChatGPT and you're gonna prompt ChatGPT to create that for you by putting in as much information about yourself as possible. And this is what you're going to prompt ChatGPT. Act as an HR expert and help a student create a CV for the first time. My name is Jackie Anderson. I am 19 years old. I'm pursuing a degree in marketing at Warwick University in my second year. I got a 2-1 in my first year. My degree is expected to complete in 2027. Subjects that I'm studying are B2B marketing, social media marketing, and more. Before this, I went to Morham High School. Some of my skills or things I've done in the past is I volunteered for the British Art Foundation where I was fundraising. The point is you're going to put in as much detail as possible of all the things that you have done before. And then what you're going to do is convert all that information so that it becomes like a CV format. And you're going to let ChatGPT do its thing. So let's see what ChatGPT basically comes up with. There you go. So there are some things that you probably need to incorporate yourself. You don't want to put in your telephone number and things like that to ChatGPT for privacy reasons. You don't want that data going anywhere. So I would suggest that you fill that out by yourself in your CV manually. And there we go. You've got your personal profile. You've got your education. When you started 2023, expected to finish 2027, you achieved 2-1. You've got your subjects, where you went before, and you can include as many detail, like for example, which year you started, which year you finished, your experience, British Art Foundation, and so on. And you've got all your skills down here as well, your achievement, and everything is being done for you. So next thing, what you're going to do is you want all of this to look professional. We are going to go to Canva to make all that information look professional. You're going to log in and you're going to sign in. And then at the top bar here, you are going to search for resume template. There are already many templates here in Canva. You need to just search for the one that you actually do like. There's one that I particularly like, and this is the template. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the information that we've already done in ChatGPT and we are now going to start putting it into here. So all you need to do is do some copy and pasting. So for example, you're going to change your name here, Jackie Anderson. You don't need to put in a photo if you don't want to. That's completely fine. And you can just remove this and edit it a bit. So you're going to put in your contact and your email and a little bit of all of this that we've already created from ChatGPT. So you're just going to basically copy and paste this. Now, if you're not sure on things that you want to include in your CV, what you can do is you can go to the site called the GravityWrite.com, and it's free for you to use. All you need to do is they are going to prompt you with a question and then build a CV for you. So for example, I've just filled some very basic information here. What is your name? What are your educational qualification? Any work experience? List your project or certification. What's the job description that you're applying for? Once you fill this up, all you need to do is hit the create content, and this tool will start building everything up for you based on what you have actually put in. And there you go. This is another way for you to create your CV in case you don't want to use ChatGPT, and this will prompt you with the questions. So there you have it, a CV in less than 10 minutes. So do try these tools and see how you get on with them. Put in as many details as you can, and good luck with the job search.